What's up, Torchville universe? This right here is a specialty. It's something that's close to my heart, and it's for my homeboy who's also the COO of Torchville, H.U.S.L. Packaging for his new product, H.U.S.L, H.U.S.L, which will be out soon. We've decided to go with an Andy Warhol theme. So I'll be redoing a whole bunch of Andy Warhol's artwork using H.U.S.L as the subject. Check it out. Here's the process. Here's my Photoshop editing. I didn't really draw on this one, but I do graphic design as well, which is fun. Got a lot of cool stuff coming, and make sure you download and purchase that project when it comes out. Hustle. This is H.U.S.L, and in the background, that's actually H.U.S.L. Uptown. Peace.
You made me dance up in this motherfucker. I pull my pants up in this motherfucker. Put feet and hands up on you motherfuckers. Shine a light, watch me lamp up on you motherfuckers. I mean I'm styling on you motherfuckers. Real talk, I got my gallon in this motherfucker. In the hood, niggas wildin' out that motherfucker. Money and violence out that motherfucker. From uptown, you know. I push weight up in this motherfucker. 345 place up in this motherfucker. No face, no case about this motherfucker. 2 phones, Kevin Gates about this motherfucker. From uptown, you know. Man, I'm advanced about this motherfucker. Champ, don't stamp about this motherfucker. Like Wallace, one chance about this motherfucker. Pep rally, see a band about that motherfucker. From uptown, you know. From uptown, you know. From uptown, you know. From uptown, you know. That's the life about this motherfucker. It's not a pound, it's a swipe about this motherfucker. You gotta pay the lights about this motherfucker. We barely got no rights about this motherfucker. My hands up in this motherfucker. If I don't lose, I might snooze up in this motherfucker. And if I lose my life, I choose in this motherfucker. Screaming cops don't shoot up in this motherfucker. That's the life up in this motherfucker. From uptown, you know. From uptown, you know. From uptown, you know. From uptown, you know.